Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Today I want to talk to you about the comparative and the superlative forms in English. Can you say that with me?
Comparative and superlative.
Okay, now what are the comparative and superlative forms? The comparative and superlative forms are used to express a difference of degree in an adjective. Can anyone tell me what an adjective is?
A word that describes something?
Right. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, or as we say in English, modifies a noun. So the comparative and superlative are used to express differences in adjectives. I'll give you an example of the comparative. This is a bright sun. The adjective is bright. Can you say bright?
Bright.
But this sun is brighter. Can you say brighter?
Brighter.
So this sun is brighter than this sun. And to express that, we add ER to the adjective bright. So to form the comparative form, we take the adjective and add ER. That expresses the difference of degree between the adjectives. Now let's move on to the superlative. This sun is bright. This sun is brighter. But this one is brightest. Can you say that with me?
Brightest.
So bright, brighter, brightest. To express the superlative, we take the adjective and add EST. So let's try comparative and superlative together. Small,
Small.
smaller,
Smaller.
smallest.
Smallest.
Small is the adjective, the base word. Smaller is the comparative, because this is smaller than this one. And smallest is the superlative, as you can see. Can you say it again with me? Small,
Small.
smaller,
Smaller.
smallest.
Smallest.
Let's try it again. Big,
Big.
bigger,
Bigger.
biggest.
Biggest.
Base word, base adjective, big. Did anybody notice something different here? Can anyone tell me a difference between the way we formed the comparative and superlative here and the way we formed it here?
You added a letter?
Right, very good. I added a letter. Do you have any idea why?
To change the word?
Let me help you out a little bit, Erica. In English, sometimes when you add ER to the end of the word, it changes the way you have to pronounce it. And to indicate this, we add a G. Alright, so big, bigger, biggest, comparative, superlative. Alright, does anybody have any questions? Alright, let's move on. Sometimes in English, for the comparative, instead of ER, we take the word more and we put it before the adjective. We don't attach it directly to the adjective, we put a space between. And for the superlative, we put the word most, and then a space, and then the adjective. We do this because certain words don't sound right with the other way of saying them. So beautiful, if we said beautiful-er, wouldn't sound right to us in English. So we say more beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, and the superlative is most beautiful, because we also wouldn't say beautiful-est. Any questions?
No.
Repeat it with me. Beautiful,
Beautiful.
more beautiful,
More beautiful.
most beautiful.
Most beautiful.
Very good. Now, we're going to play a game. I'm going to write down a list of adjectives. Some of these adjectives will be the regular form of the comparative and the superlative. ER, EST, like bright, brighter, brightest. Some of them will be like beautiful, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. But I'm not going to tell you which ones. Now the game is to go through the adjectives around the room, and the person who has to hesitate to give the forms is out. Or if you get it wrong. So let me demonstrate so you can see. Blue, bluer, bluest. Short, shorter, shortest. Long, longer, longest. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. Now if I had hesitated there, Or if I had gotten it wrong and thought it was intelligent, intelligenter, intelligentest, I would be out. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Straight, straighter, straightest. Crooked, more crooked, most crooked. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Alright, so let's go around the room. Play.